All right, y'all, I've got the long sleeves on, the pants. It feels like it's 150 degrees outside, so that can only mean one thing. It's time to spray. So let's get into it. What's up, guys? I'm Rhett. Welcome back to Lawn Insider. All right, disaster is sort of struck here. The backpack sprayer has sprung a leak. We're losing product as we speak, so I've got to do this very, very quickly. What are we applying? Talak, active ingredient is biphenethrin, and then T-NEX. T-NEX is a plant growth regulator. It's going to slow down the vertical growth of the plant. I've got to put this on my back right now and try to make this application before I lose all my product. Here we go. So I lost all creative freedom in that video because the backpack sprayer, but we were able to get the product out in the lawn, and most importantly, not all over me. So we'll count that as a win, a moral victory. But what this does mean is that Lawn Insider is now on the hunt for a new backpack sprayer, because this one put in 6 years of good service, but it sprung a leak and it's time to put her out to pasture. So if you have any recommendations on a good backpack sprayer, make sure you leave those in the comment section below the video, and I will take a look at what you guys have to say. As far as the products that we put out in the lawn today, what's up, guys? They're checking out the new vehicle. My wife got a new vehicle this past week, and it's the kids' first time seeing it. They just got back from the grandparents' house. But as far as the products were T-NEX, which is a plant growth regulator. That's going to slow down the vertical growth of the grass and give me more time in between mows. And the other product was Talak. In Talak, the active ingredient is biphenethrin, and that is just going to be our bug treatment. What's on the horizon for the lawn? Well, I do have some fertilizer treatments that I need to put out. It's due for a granular treatment. I also haven't put out any liquid treatments this year as far as fertilizers go, so I'm definitely going to do that here in the next couple of weeks. And I've also been a bad lawn influencer because I have that calendar. It says I should have put out my grub treatment already, and I have not put out my grub treatment. So I'll also do that sometime here pretty soon. I haven't seen a ton of June bugs, but I have seen some. So that is going to go down at some point. One thing to keep in mind when you are putting out a plant growth regulator treatment is that you don't want to do it if you have rain in the very, very immediate future. And I'm talking, you know, the next 1 to 3 hours or so. But if you are going to run your sprinklers like the next day, or if it's going to rain 8 hours or 10 hours from now, then you're going to be okay, because that's going to give that product plenty of time to work its way into the plant from the leaf. I think I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up right here. The sun has set behind that house, and then whenever the backpack sprayer's leaking, everything's kind of going haywire. I think that's God's way of telling us that it's time to go ahead and go inside. So we're going to wrap it up right here. I hope y'all enjoyed the video, more than I did at least. If you did, leave it a like. If you're enjoying the content and you want to continue to see more of it, hit that black subscribe button below the video. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, backpack sprayer recommendations, leave those in the comment section below. I'll see y'all again soon. Lawn Insider out.